Hi everyone, my name is Efrain and today we'll be talking about the Ecobee Premium Smart Thermostat. It comes with an air quality monitoring feature, a occupancy sensor, a schedule assistant, and it is also compatible with your preferred devices and smart home systems. So let's get right to it. Right away, I really love the packaging. It's very small. It's very clean. You get the smart thermostat. Here you get all the instruction, and then in the bags you have all the tools you'll need for installing it. Alright, so you get the wall plate. It looks like you get all the installation kit, the stickers, and you also get the installation instructions. And then you get the Ecobee thermostat itself. You have the occupancy sensor as well. So with the air quality monitoring feature, it alerts you when the air quality is poor, and it also gives you simple steps on how to improve it. With the built-in occupancy sensor, when you leave your home, it automatically adjusts your temperature and then it restores it when you return. This smart thermostat is also compatible with your preferred devices like your cell phone, tablet, your smartwatch, and any other smart home system. With the schedule assistant, it learns your routine and it also makes recommendations to best match it. That's it. My name is Efrain and this is the Ecobee Premium Smart Thermostat. If you want to learn more about this product or similar, feel free to click the link below and we'll see you next time.